This is the GoPro stabilizer that I'm going to be using just to walk in the streets. I got it for about $50 US. I think it might be useful, so I'm going to give it a try. It also helpful for the cell phone, so I'm just going to try to zoom in and show you what this is. I think is the most affordable. These accessories only for the cell phone. It's just the regular accessory that you can use to attach your cell phone. And this is the most affordable stabilizer that I found. It works with a pendule, so it just hangs and it will stabilize your shot when you're walking in the street. It is a must-have. This is the GoPro unit where it goes, and it can also be removed for the cell phone. And it has a lock here, so you can secure it once you have it stabled. And for $50, I think it's a great purchase. I think this can be also moved upwards, so you have a better stabilization. And it's just a pendule, and it's supposed to help you with the image stabilization as you're walking in the street. This is a very comfortable grip, and I'm gonna give it a try because I have a lot of problems walking in the street with a cell phone. It's almost impossible to have a steady shot. Even if you have the latest cell phone, which I don't, even if it's an Android or an iPhone, you're not gonna be able to have a stable filming while walking in the street. So I'm gonna show you the difference without the stabilizer and the difference with it. So let's go to the street and I'm gonna show you. That's all I wanted you to see. If you want to purchase one of these, I'm gonna put a link on the description, and maybe you could find one as affordable as this, only for $50 US. I think it's a must-have.